This video answers the search how to buy shares of Alpha and Omega Semiconductor Limited, a company that makes power semiconductor components and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AOSL. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AOSL to find the company listing. Make sure you select the entry for Alpha and Omega Semiconductor Limited on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct security. Double-check the exchange and ticker AOSL and glance at recent price action before moving on. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to place, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order depending on your choice. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be completed. After execution, your AOSL position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Soft CTA. Check the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.